Okay, so this next video is from another friend of mine. His name is 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗏𝗪, and he's probably the most successful Amazon seller that I personally know. He's done an incredible job, generates over $100 million in revenue on Amazon only every single year and growing fast. This dude has scaled massively his products and his brand. And he's talking about how to build an Amazon brand in today's environment and how to scale and add products to your brand. So you want to pay attention to what he's talking about because I know he's built himself up from the ground up to where he's at today. So pay attention, listen up, take your notes, and get ready to execute after you listen to this video.
Okay, good. So here's an example. This is something that we just did about a week ago, okay? And I'll show you these. This is crazy, okay? So we were in 100 plus rank, okay, on these top 3 keywords, and we went to the top 5, actually position 1, position 3, and position 2. No giveaways. It took 5 days. This product had around 2,000 reviews. A lot in the category have 20,000, 30,000. So it's not a crazy product, but here we go. I'll show this to you. This is helium-10 as a keyword tracker, okay? Search volume, 187,000, 86,000, 30,000. This is a lot of searches, guys. This is 300,000 people are searching these keywords every month, okay? That's a lot. That's 10,000 people every day that'll see your product for free. This is what we did. All right, you'll see number 1, number 3, number 2, boom, all right? And then you'll see the graph. This is ranking, okay? This is keyword position. So over here, when you search for it, we would be 150. And then we went all the way here to number 1, okay? Over here, okay, what, 60, 50, whatever, around here. And got to number 2. All right, so rank is staying strong, and this was what we used, okay? So if you sell kitchen stuff, please turn off the video. If you're in the kitchen category, you should turn off your YouTube right now, okay? Okay, so this is basically so nice, so great, because there's a thing called a lightning deal, okay? There's also called a 7-day deal. Now, you don't get this on day 1 when you start. You have to have some history of selling, at least a little bit. So on the next slide, I'll show it. If you don't have a lightning deal, you don't have the 7-day deal. But really, you want to do everything possible to get this 7-day deal because there is a trick here that it's just great. As you see, I mean, this is, I don't know if you guys see this, but this is 300,000 people, okay, seeing our product. This is ridiculous. It went from, I don't know, this product went from like 50 sales a day to like 400 or something, like ridiculous. Yeah, it was one product. Yeah, it was one product, yep. So this is spectacular. I mean, absolutely just ridiculous. Okay, so do the 7-day deal, get it ready. This is what you're gonna do. Let's say your product is $20, okay? You have to sell it at $20 for it to make sense. Okay, you need to know the numbers of what your product is, okay? Normally it's 20 bucks. Everybody on the page is somewhere between 15 to 25. You're selling it for 20. You're gonna have a lightning deal. You're gonna have to discount your product. Normally it's 20. On the deal, you might have to sell it for 16, 15, or 14, okay? So that's, you set up your deal. You need a very strong, heavily discounted coupon on top of the deal, okay? What you're gonna do, you're gonna give a double discount, okay? You're gonna run the deal, and then you're also going to put a coupon. A coupon is pretty easy. You just go to the advertising tab in Seller Central. You press coupon, and you can say like $5 off. So let's say your product's 20 bucks. You give a $5 off coupon, and you run a deal for another $6 off. You're going to sell your product for $9, okay? You'll lose money. Every sale, you lose money. But guess what? At $9, if everybody on the page is 15 to 20, are a lot of people going to buy it? Please? Somebody? Yeah. Yes! People are going to buy, okay? You're selling that thing for $9, and everybody's at 20. Everybody's at 15. You're gonna sell, even if your pictures are ugly. No matter, like, plus, people when you go to the lightning deal and they click on and they go big deal, right? And then on top of that, there's a coupon, and people get confused. They're like, wait, is this like a is this a deal on a deal? And they think they're like cheating the system. Like, I'm getting this deal I'm not supposed to get. Like, what the hell? And it goes crazy. People just buy. They just want to buy. It goes nuts. Okay, so you're basically going to do an extremely heavy discount where every sale you lose money, even if you're not advertising. Okay, so guys, this is, you might lose money. You might lose money. You will lose money. You do this, you will lose money. Okay, but that's the point. you invest now to show the algorithm that your product is hot. Everybody wants to buy it, because guess what? You might not make money, okay? But Amazon will make money, because they make 15% on every sale, okay? They make money every time they ship that product for you. So they're making a ton of money. You're just not making money. Doesn't sound like a great deal, but it will be eventually. Okay, so just hold on. All right. What you want to do is you want to pick your top 3 keywords. I picked those top 3 keywords that I showed earlier, and we went after those. How do you go after them? You're going to make a campaign to show up at the top of search, okay? As I said before, if you search lemon squeezer, you'll see lemon squeezer there at the top. That's us. If you're going into the lemon squeezer category, which if you are, you shouldn't be on this stream, please. Okay? But if you are, let's say you would go and you're going to sell one, let's say normally it's $10, well, you're going to do a deal. It's going to be like $6, and you're going to put like a $2 coupon on top of that. You're selling anything for $4. Everybody's going to buy. Nobody's going to buy my $15 lemon squeezer. They're going to buy your $4 garbage. Okay. Okay, so anyway, so the point is this campaign, okay, it has to run what's called a top of search placement, okay? What I do on ads, it can go all sorts of places. It can go on the bottom of the page, on the top of the page. It can go on your competitors' pages. It can go on the home page. It can go all sorts of places. But there's a thing called the placement, and again, you can YouTube this, Google it, whatever. You want to run a high top of search placement on your campaigns, and you want to just put those 3 keywords. Put those 3 keywords, and you are going to spend a lot of money on ads. Okay, you're going to spend money on ads, maybe $300 a day, $400 a day. Again, if you pick a small keyword, I was going after the really, really big keywords. If you're just going to go after one that has a lot less search volume, you know, maybe 10,000 searches, 2,000 searches, 3,000 searches, if it's your first product you're ranking, you should definitely want to go after that. But if not, this will rank you for the highest search volume keywords, all right? So, super low price with a lightning deal and the coupon, super low, pick your keywords, show up at the top of search every single time someone searches, okay? Basically, someone searches lemon squeezer, you need to boot me off of that top spot and take your spot to the top, okay? Someone searching polarized sunglasses, you get your ad at the very top, okay? And everyone else can go to the bottom. It's going to cost you money, okay? But you will probably get something about 30%, 20%, at least 10, 15% of people who search will click on your ad, and then a lot of them will buy, okay? So you'll get some sales history. And look, the alternative to this launch, there's 2 alternatives to launching in this way, okay? There's 2 alternatives. One, put it up and pray, okay? Pray, somebody will buy, someone will find it. I hope this thing will sell, okay? That's not very effective. Okay, you could do this and pray at the same time. It'll be way more effective, okay? So the thing is, that's one strategy. The other strategy would be doing the giveaways, okay? What we talked about before. You do a lot of giveaways. The strategy of giveaways might get you to rank, okay? But the truth is, you're going a lot of times to a group of people who expect the product for free, okay? That's a different customer. The people who want free products are not the people who are going to pay for your product. Now, someone searching, let's say, silicone spatula, and you're at the top and you happen to be $3, okay? That is your customer because that person searched. They're not looking for a free product. They're not looking for a deal. They're looking for exactly what you have. You're just giving them a sexy deal. So they go and they click on it. I should have probably put more pictures on here. But guys, just take out your phone, search lemon squeezer, check it out. That top spot, you show up on that thing. That's the whole point. So you lose money. You're going to lose money every day probably for like 7 days, okay? This is just what it takes nowadays. Before, just so you know, when it was free to give away stuff and Amazon allowed it, people would spend $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 just to launch a product on free products. Like a #1 shampoo, they would just send 3,000 shampoos giveaway a day. And then they would get 4,000 sales in a day. And they're like, okay, fine, the shampoo costs me whatever. I'm selling it for $40 and I'm making this, and they would make money, okay? That's not an option anymore because Amazon doesn't allow it. And 2, just giving you an idea, losing money at the beginning is usual, okay? I've met with many people and they're starting off and they go, hey, check out my product. I think it's gonna sell amazing. I think it's great. What do you think? It's beautiful. I took the pictures myself. I'm a great photographer. Okay, good. So you open it up and let's say they're selling a plunger, okay? Every plunger on the page is around $11. They're selling their plunger at $25, okay? It's the same plunger everyone else has, okay? And they go, why do you think I'm not selling? I go, okay, well, would you buy this thing? They're like, well, anyway, it's fine. So people are sometimes not honest with themselves, okay? They definitely would not buy that $25 plunger, period. They just would not. They would not because it looks worse than everybody else's and it's twice the price. So this is the other option. If you're not going to do a low price launch, your other option is to sit there and wonder why your thing is not selling, okay? So you need to have a reason for them to buy. And I will tell you, a low price, I don't know, but people love low price. Like you're gonna have customers buying from you, okay? So, and then here I have optional. This is a different type of ads campaign. It's on your competitors' product pages. If you're okay with spending a little bit extra money, then you want to do this because it's increase your chances of actually ranking. But again, it'll cost you more because realize every sale you make, you don't make any money, and every dollar you spend on ads, you lose that and you won't see it back. So you're losing money. Okay, this is a warning. Okay, but the warning is if you stick with it, and your page doesn't look disgusting, you'll make a ton of money in about 10 days, all right? So just bear with me. Okay, so after the deal is over, okay, in about 2, 3, 4 days, okay, if it's after more than 4 days, you're probably doing it wrong and just stop and stop losing money, okay? After 4 days, if your rank hasn't moved, you're doing something wrong. Maybe listen to this presentation again. I think it'll be on the AGM website, okay? You did something wrong, okay? You go, oh my gosh, my plunger's $25. I put a $5 coupon, it's $20 now, but everybody on the page is $9. Okay, so you didn't do a deep discount, okay? Just because you put a $5 coupon doesn't mean your thing is a great deal and it's sexy, okay? So look at it again, you're doing something wrong. So after 3 to 4 days, you should have a drastic increase in rank. Why? Because it's normal behavior. Every customer, you have a high percentage of selling because your product is such a good deal. You're selling real customers, they're actually buying. Guess what? Amazon, the programmers, the computer says, holy jeez, this thing is selling like fire. Everybody we send it to is buying. If that happens, you priced it right, your images are good, and guess what? Amazon loves you. So they will throw you up to the top, and they're going to send tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people to you so you can keep doing your job of selling them.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. Go ahead and subscribe right now.